Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to install Eclipse on Windows machine. So I will open Google Chrome. I will type download Eclipse for Windows. This one. I will click on the eclipse.org. This is the main site for all the Eclipse updates. And as you can see that here it is showing the latest version of Eclipse, which is ID 23. I'll click on that link. And again I need to click on the download button. I have already download this exe, as it will take around 4 5 minutes, so I already downloaded in advance. So this is the Eclipse exe which I have already downloaded. So now I will click on this installer. Right, so it is asking, it is showing a lot of different id for different purpose. So as we have to use it for simple Java program, we will choose Eclipse ID for Java developers. And then it is see, it's already taking the JDK path here. And then installation folder also, it is showing Eclipse Java and this 23.3. Right, and if you want to create a shortcut, you can keep it checked, otherwise you can uncheck this one. I'll click on the install, click on accept now. So it is showing now installation is completed. You can click on launch button. Okay, as soon as we click on launch button, it will prompt you the default workspace. So if you want, you can create a new folder or a new a path for your workspace, and you can use that workspace. Otherwise, you can go with the default one, whatever it is showing. So I will go with the default one, and if you want, you can click this checkbox that use this as your default location for the workspace. So this is the UI for Eclipse ID. This is the home page. I'll close this window. And now, as you can see that it is showing multiple options. You can create a Java project, Maven project, or we can create, or we can import a project from either the physical location from your computer or from GitHub or SVN. So I'll show you, if you want to create a Java project, we need to click on that Java, and then we have to give the project name, and then we have to mention our JRE here. Yeah, here whatever JRE we are using. So we are using Java 20. It should display that one. And then sorry, we have to click on that use a project specific JRE. It is showing us JDK 20 default one, whatever we have installed on our machine. Right, so we will not create a Java project right now. Then the second one is create a Maven project. So I'll explain what is Maven in next video, and we would be using the Maven project. And we can import the project. So if you already have a project on your machine, you can import it in Eclipse and start working on that. Otherwise, if you have a project in GitHub, then you can import from the Git, or you can import existing project if you have in Workspace like that, or from the archive file from the file system. Different options it is having. So that's all about this video. In next video we will learn what is Maven and how to create a Maven project. Thank you.